Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is kids special white sauce pasta. First of all, I will stir fry all the vegetables. I have stir fried the veggies and I'm keeping aside. Now in this hot pan, I will put some butter or ghee and fry some onion and tomatoes. I have put some amount of butter. Once it is melted, I will put chopped onions, and then I will put chopped tomatoes, and also I will put chopped garlic. And I will stir fry it again. You can put butter and oil all together. I have put some amount of butter, and I will stir fry this chopped vegetables. Meanwhile, while I'm stir frying these vegetables, meanwhile I have taken 1 cup of milk and I have put some all-purpose flour, 2-3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and I am mixing it with a whisk. So make sure there should not be any lump, and mix it very well. My onion turns red, and I have put that mixture of flour and milk into this pan, and I will cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes so that the gravy gets thickened. So I will continuously stir it so that it cannot be burned from the outside, and I will make the gravy thick. Cook the mixture very well so that the raw smell of the maida doesn't come. So keep stirring it, and at this point I have added some black pepper powder and also oregano. You can also add chili flakes if you want to make it more spicy. You can add chili flakes at this point of time, and keep stirring the mixture, and make it thick as per your choice. Keep the consistency of the gravy. And I have boiled some pasta. These are all penne pasta. So I have kept aside. In the hot water, put some amount of salt and boil these pastas in such a way so that it should be like this, means not very much boiled. This is called al dente situation, al dente boiling. So in that way boil the pasta. So once this gravy becomes little bit thickened, then I will add the pasta, and I will add cream or cheese, whatever is available at your place. Add that only. So I will add cream or cheese at the end, and I will put a dash of salt and sugar as per my taste. So now I will cook this maida mixture with milk so that the raw smell of the maida doesn't come. The gravy has become a little bit thickened, so I will keep it like that only. I have added the pasta. Now I will put some salt as per my taste, and also some amount of sugar, and again cook it for another 2 minutes. As per your taste, you can add the salt and sugar. So I will cook it for another 2 minutes. So as per me, the gravy is perfectly cooked and it is in a perfect consistency. So I will add some fresh milk at this point of time. You can also add cheese, whatever is available with you. So I'm adding some amount of fresh cream into it, and also I will put some fresh coriander chopped. I will put fresh coriander, so that the taste can be enhanced. at this point of time I am adding chopped coriander, and also I will add a pinch of oregano at the last. You can also add chili flakes to make it more spicier. So it is almost ready, so I will serve it now. You can make it for the lunch, or you can make this recipe for the tiffin, for the lunch box of your kids. They will love to have this in their lunch box during their lunch time. This is very easy recipe, and it can be made within 10 to 15 minutes, and it is also very healthy because it contains milk, vegetables, and also very tasty because you are adding so much of herbs and spices. So let me know how do you find this recipe, and if it is useful to you, let me know in the below comment section. Thanks.